Hey, this is Micah with the Freedom Ministry Practicum video log kind of thing. This is week 3. And this week we focused a lot on looking through the book Frequency by Robert Morris. We kind of talked a lot on his message series going along with this. And Brady kind of gave us a good look at what this practicum's about. He showed us a lot of why he chose the book Frequency, and we talked on it and talked on the audience behind the book. And I think that was really important. We were talking on certain statements found in the book that we were kind of debating on and wondered why he said it. But we kind of looked at the audience behind the book and some of the statements that we thought were like, hey, is this really correct? Kind of made sense when we looked at it from that direction. So that was one of the things that we looked at. The other thing that we looked at is we had grad students actually come in. Brady had grad students that came in and talked to us about the process of going through more education than just a bachelor's or an associate's or whatever it was, and kind of just cleared up any issues that we had or helped us with what we were thinking about. And we kind of got into the why behind the what we do, and I thought that was really cool. We also had in the little group that we had on Wednesday, we had a group of, we had 2 people come up and give presentations on one of our assignments. Last week our assignment was to find a movie or TV show and to find a character in that TV show that needed ministry and talk to how we would handle that and how we would go through that, and it really boiled down to, for me, the actions behind the character. So what he had us do is he had us prepare presentations, present them in the class, and I believe Diane and there was one other guy that presented, and they both shared their different movies and how they happened and then how they would have ministered to these people, and really the goal of being, what can we do here and now with people like we see in these movies and make a difference in their lives? How can we take what we've learned through these assignments and apply it to our own lives? And so I thought that was really cool. So yeah, that was pretty much the focus of this week. We looked a lot at the audience, frequency, the presentations, how we would handle people in society, and then really just focused on what happens after this. Once we finish graduating, once we finish with our bachelor's, what should we do from then on? And so yeah, I'm excited to see what next week holds.